Myself H.N. Morkar. I am junior college teacher for biology in Yashwanthav Shinde Junior College, Bhadravati. Today we will learn spermatogenesis. Today we will learn spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of sperms or spermatozoa from the germinal epithelium of testis. Testis is divided into 200 to 300 testicular lobules. Each testicular lobule has 1 to 4 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Each seminiferous tubule is internally lined by diploid germinal epithelial cells called spermatogonia. Here you can observe spermatogonium and few large Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells are nourishing cells for spermatogonia and spermatids. Diploid spermatogonia undergo spermatogenesis to produce haploid sperms or spermatozoa. Spermatogenesis begins at the onset of puberty in boys when hypothalamus of brain secretes GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, induces the secretion of FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, by pituitary gland. FSH initiates the process of spermatogenesis in testes. The process of spermatogenesis involves 3 phases: multiplication phase, growth phase and maturation phase. In multiplication phase, diploid primordial germ cells of seminiferous tubules undergo repeated mitotic divisions to produce large number of spermatogonia. In growth phase, some of spermatogonia stop dividing and grow in size to develop into primary spermatocytes diploid due to accumulation of food. Maturation phase involves meiotic division, meiosis, which is also known as reduction division, because in this process diploid chromosome numbers are reduced to haploid chromosome number. Primary spermatocyte is diploid cell which undergoes the first meiotic division, means meiosis first, to form 2 haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes. These secondary spermatocytes contain 23 chromosomes, out of which 22 chromosomes are autosomes and 1 chromosome is either sex chromosome X or Y. In this way, 50% secondary spermatocytes have X sex chromosome while 50% have Y sex chromosomes. Means there are 2 types of secondary spermatocytes. Now, each secondary spermatocyte undergoes second meiotic division, meiosis second, to form 2 spermatids. In this way, each diploid spermatogonium produces 4 haploid spermatids through process of meiosis. and this process is called spermatogenesis. Here, spermatid is non-motile and non-functional cell. However, each spermatid gets transformed into a functional spermatozoa by process called spermiogenesis. During spermiogenesis, spermatids remain held to Sertoli cells by cytoplasmic bridges. Head of spermatid remain attached to Sertoli cell while its tail hanging in lumen of seminiferous tubule. Length of spermatid increases. During spermiogenesis, Golgi complex or Golgi body forms acrosome on the head of sperm, which contain lytic enzyme to enter in ovum. Mitochondria become spirally coiled and centrioles are rearranged as primary and distal centriole. In this way, spermatids are transformed into spermatozoa or sperm, and this is called spermiogenesis. That's all.